Oh, guys. Oh, what a month. June, what a month. It's crazy what's been happening behind the scenes. I'm sure you guys have already seen some posts that I've already posted of me doing some paid content with some brands. What's crazy is that it's not just once-off collaborations. I'm on 3-month, 2-month, 1-month contracts with brands. Oh my gosh. 3-week contracts. Wow. Wow. As you'll know, if I were to ever lose this book, oh my god. Yeah, so I've had to create a calendar of my content for the month of June and stuff, and oh my god, I'm grateful. I'm really grateful. And what I'm grateful for the most is that all of this is happening because brands are finally seeing what we are doing here. You know, brands finally want to be part of what we are doing here, and you, me, the power tools, make a fire team. We make a fire team, drillers, and I'm just so grateful for y'all. You'll know I'm grateful for y'all, so I'm not even gonna do that whole I'm so grateful for y'all speech. You'll know my heart. You'll know my heart. I just can't believe that it's happening. Like, last night my husband came home, and I had to write a very serious email to not a bad serious email to a brand, but I just had to lay certain things down, and when my husband got home and I was just telling him about what's happening, and this brand wants to work with me, how this affects this brand, and that, like, he said to me, wow, you're finally having these kind of problems. You've put in so much work in DIYYolande since 2019 when everything started, but I only started taking it seriously and seeing that I can work with brands in 2020. So he's like, wow. Because I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so stressed. He's like, yeah, you're stressed because you're doing what you love. You're stressed because you're busy. Yolande. Him making me realize that I've been praying for this. I've been crying out to God for this. I've been dreaming of this, and it's finally happening. Yeah, I'm grateful. You know, when I got sick, and I got 2 abscesses under my armpits, I was scared. I was really scared, because I work with power tools, and my hands not being able to function means I can't work with my power tools. If I was a motivational speaker, it would be a different thing, but I need to work with my hands, and I was so scared, guys. I was so scared. because I didn't know, and my abscesses were so bad that I went in obviously for surgery. When I went in for surgery, I was scared. I was really scared because I was worried, what if something happens? What if they find out there's nerve damage? What if you know, I just had so many questions, and I was so scared. I was really scared. And when I came out of surgery and when I did my very first cleaning session of both my armpits, to find out that the holes, because obviously with abscess they clean it out, so they dig it out. So finding out that the holes are 1 centimeter deep. So I had on my right hand I had a 5 centimeter wide and 1 centimeter deep hole. I still can't believe it, hole. And on my left I had a 1 centimeter deep but a 3 centimeter wide hole. And I'm grateful I'm out of that. I am grateful I am out of that. Today is Thursday, and I went for my cleaning session, and my right wound is now a centimeter wide. It has closed up, so it's now just 1 centimeter wide. Then this one is 1.5. So that means I'm healing well. They are very impressed with how fast I'm healing, because these are deep flesh wounds. So the fact that I'm healing well, they are very impressed by that. And I have not had an infection. They actually advised me that I'm actually out of the possibility of getting an infection. And my doctor said, yeah, I can slowly get back to DIYing, you know. And coming from a place where in the month of May I was so unsure and scared, because things could have changed very quickly, to now in June where brands are wanting to work with me, brands are paying me. Other brands obviously are negotiating my rate card. Others are paying me what's on my rate card. I'm on 3-month paid campaigns, and I'm just grateful. I'm just so grateful. I don't know when you do this on my channel, oh my god. But I think it's important you guys get to know my deepest thoughts, because not everything always works out the way you want it to. And even when it doesn't work out the way you want it to, God has a way of turning around a bad situation to being a good situation. I need to get back to work. There's as you'll know, I work for an NGO. So I do fundraising for an NGO. So I'm scouting out some organizations that want to work with us right now, and that's exciting for the organization. So I need to make some calls. I need to finalize an MOU. Yeah, let me get back to work. Okay, let me finish up my lunch, work, and I'll see you guys either later today or tomorrow. Oh hail the Lord, oh hail the King. Yeah. Yolande looks like she likes Sasha Forbes. Do you like her? Ngiyakwazi mntakami. Yeah, that's ngiyakwazi. Unedrama uSasha Forbes lecula. No, she wants you to know what's Tasha. Yo. Drillers, when this video comes out, I need y'all to give it everything you have, because it's going to be fire. It's going to be fire. I got Elation Productions here shooting me. Nyabazike ukuthi basirious ngomsebenzi wabo. So, I'm so excited. Look at Velo babes. Hi, I'm Elation Productions wife. Hello, Elation Production wife. There's Mr. Elation Productions. Here he is. 19. Isn't he 19?
I'm the whole production gig, eh?
So you found my pants?
Yeah, put it on the so put it in the middle.
La?
Yeah. No, on the shirt.
La.
Yeah, clip it on the shirt.
I must just clip it on.
Yeah, and then run the wire behind you. Take that pocket.
Hey! Hi! Go serious like which phone are you gonna use to record? Mine?
Yeah, oh, I like the charger, yeah.
I'm so done. I'm done.
What's your 1, 2?
1, 2.
Just move around. It's not too bad. Okay. Just avoid like, you know, like.
Yeah, no, I don't touch myself. I don't touch myself.
Google, you know,
No, I don't touch myself when I'm on the thingy.
Okay, let me know when you're ready.
Yeah. I'm ready!
You can start.
I've got a video that I don't have to edit myself.
Put it in.
Yeah.
So you
Oh.
the door and then put on your gloves.
Okay. So interesting.
Cut. Just hold it there, hold it there. Okay, carry on.
Agency.
The other one. Just cut there, hold it. You're gonna do any intro talking?
Yeah.
Hi guys.
That's in. That's in.
Emma, can you go a little bit back?
What the?
Yeah. I want the light to be in the face.
Yeah, your wheels are there. Yeah, I see us in there.
And there's still more coming.
Yeah, there's still more tools coming. We actually have realized that this house is too small for us.
Baby,
We just moved in here.
Baby, I can hear that. See, they bought a house and they're like, actually, we want another one.
Because we can't convert that room to my studio because I'm going to the garage is too small to.
So you need in down that has like an outdoor patio sort of thing.
Yeah. Or they want to buy Konimon. Unfortunately for the complex here, it's a communal area. But if I can get a shed.
So you can't
all my
move.
tools, everything in there, and then whenever I want to play content, I go in the shed.
That would be so much easier.
That would be
You
so.
don't have to move your stuff up and down.
Yeah.
Actually,
It looks so weird because you paused.
Hey, sense of content.
Bring the heel closer to the other. Yeah.